Everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1985 Nissan Pathfinder. The casting is by Matchbox and it's a new release for 2024 as you can see it. I think this car was produced till late 90s or maybe early 90s. But if you look at it and then you look at the current Pathfinder, it's very different, and this one is definitely much smaller than that. Looks like a good casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here it is, the 1985 Nissan Pathfinder. And before I deep dive into it, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm a fairly small channel trying to grow up. And if you have suggestions, please drop it in the comment too. I'm looking at improving my content. So the first thing I noticed, this is a 2-door and the current Pathfinder is a 4-door. So yeah, that's something very different compared to current generation. But let's talk about this casting. It's done in red. Got those classic squarish wheel arches with cladding on it. Wheels actually look nice. I've seen these wheels before and I do like how Matchbox does those you can say the grooves in the wheel to mimic the actual. That looks good. And you got, what else you've got on this side? So you've got this door handle, big rear window. Some of the older SUVs used to do that. I think the older Bronco had something like that. Let's move to the front. So up front, again, good details up front, I would say. You've got detailed headlamp, you've got detailed grille with Nissan written in it. Let me see if we can focus. You've got some slots on the hood too. Windshield wipers and surprisingly rear mirror on both the sides. Good job, Matchbox. The front bumper is done in grey. I'm not sure if it actually came grey or black on the actual car. So let's move to the driver's side. Oh, sorry, my bad. To the passenger side. It's almost identical as the driver's side. The only difference being the fuel filler cap here. Also, something I noticed, it has got mud flaps, which a lot of SUVs are casting it onto. That's good. Coming to the rear, again good details here. Detailed tail lamp. You got the spear wheel with this, looks like a cage or row frame that helps the wheel. You can see a tiny spoiler here, blacked out. And you got a small sunroof on the top. The interior is done in grey, just like the bumper. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, for a mainline, I would say it's a very good casting. Has got good details, good wheels, and I don't think I've ever seen this before in any casting. So that's obviously something new, and yeah, it looks good, and I think it will go good with other Nissan castings. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.